And I'm sitting there with my head, I'm talking to Jeffrey Fieger, and I have the speakerphone on, which is often the way I do things, so I can continue working on doing what I'm doing, and because what I am doing at a particular time is more important than anything else that's coming along, including Jeffrey Fieger. And I have this thing turned on, and Imogene walks in the room to say something to me, and she hears this melodious voice, this compelling argument she begins to hear. And she says, she listens, and I'm listening, and the argument is going on, and you can't imagine what a compelling argument Mr. Fieger can put on that has to do with his need to be saved, but not only to be saved, but to save the lawyers of this world who are being attacked, to save plaintiffs' lawyers particularly, who he is a prime target, symbolic prime target of. And the argument goes on, and I'm listening, and Imogene's eyes get bigger and bigger, and she says, and I said, well, I will think about this, Jeffrey, and I'll call you back, and thank you for thinking of me, and I'm honored, and I'm sorry you're being distressed like this. This is terrible. The minute I hang up, Imogene says, you have to defend him. And what Imogene says, Imogene gets. But she made the argument that's very clear to us. It was clear to me. And that is, Jeffrey Fieger was a political target. He was the symbol of all of the things that the Bush administration would like to destroy. He had attacked the power structure in Michigan. And he had attacked it openly, relentlessly, fearlessly, bravely, arrogantly, without any kind of apology. He took after the judge or judges of the Michigan Supreme Court. He took after the Attorney General. He tried to beat and did beat Mr. Bush in Michigan by simply telling the world that Mr. McCain was a better candidate. And Mr. Bush couldn't forgive him. Referred to him in his speech at the time that he gave up in Michigan. He referred to Mr. Fieger as that Kevorkian lawyer. That Kevorkian lawyer, which is another way of saying that godless murderer who joined Kevorkian in the suicide of 100 people.